We're back on this. We're back on series of Matco tools, mechanic toolbox series, and we are back. Whoa! We've actually caught up. I know. We really don't want to run into this part. Oh, dude! I'm gonna go back. But I'm gonna crawl over there. My back is killing me. So camera's almost dead. Actually, Jake, you're in charge of this for a few minutes. So okay, all I'm doing is just following that thing. Here we go. So I have to go and fund you? No, not right now. I'm just gonna walk it over there. Yeah, right here. Oh, shoot. Alright, so this time you have to go in front of me. Okay? I have to walk back. No. So what am I doing? Alright, so Trevor, at least show him how to do it. Okay? No, I don't have to. Wait, I show how to pull back when you hold it on. No, I'm gonna be like, at first I'm gonna be crawling over to it and then I'm gonna pull back. Okay? Or Trevor, maybe Jake should be on, like sitting on it and you pulling and I'm holding on. Just first I need to change the battery, right?
Do you have the battery?
No, I don't have the battery, but there's like a sliver.
Do you have a battery with you?
No, I need to go get one. And then I can put this one on charger as well. Starting now. Goodbye. On the next video, a series of chicken events. No. Yeah, goodbye.